Hi everyone, welcome back on PT Test Prep channel. Before we start this summarise group discussion, let me quickly show you a powerful note-taking trick. When the group discussion begins, make your notes in two columns. On the left side, write Speaker 1, Speaker 2 and Speaker 3. On the right side, write only the important keywords or phrases spoken by each speaker. This simple method will help you create a clear, accurate summary and score higher in your exam. Three students are discussing whether they will ask their professor for more time to do an essay.
Hey, how are things? Where are you two off to? Are you on your way to the library? I heard everyone scrambling to finish the philosophy essay.
Hi, yeah, we're heading there now. I've got a mountain of work to do. I just found out the philosophy essay's due tomorrow. Oh, I guess it's too late at this point to ask Professor Kim for more time. I've really messed up the dates. I don't know why I wrote next Monday in my diary. It's due tomorrow. I'll just have to do the best I can in the limited time I've got. Are either of you getting an extension?
No, I'm not. But it's going to be really tight. It's a mad rush as the deadline approaches, which is my classic way of getting things done, last minute as per usual. You'd think I'd learn my lesson, but I never seem to plan ahead. It's always the way. What about you, Mel? You're always well organized. Have you done yours yet? I bet you've finished already.
Well, actually, I asked Professor Kim for an extension and got an extra couple of days. I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I would have liked longer. I've got a load of assignments due all at once. Plus, we're packing to move house. It's a juggle, to say the least, but I guess some professors are more understanding than others. 2 days is better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah, hopefully you'll get through everything in time with the extra days. Can you get an extension for some of your other work? You've got loads on your plate. It sounds pretty overwhelming. I can't imagine juggling moving and so many deadlines at once.
No, my other professor is normally really flexible, but she's going to be going away soon, so I have to get that assignment done for her before she leaves for her sabbatical. Honestly, I just need to put my head down and get working, and I'm pretty confident I'll be able to do it. It might not be my best work, but you know what? It's better than not handing anything in.
Yeah, definitely. I reckon getting an extension can sometimes just prolong the pain. It only drags it out, but in the end, it's still got to be done. We might as well just push through and get on with it, and somehow we'll make it happen. One thing's for sure, I won't be able to watch the football tonight.
No, I don't think any of us will be watching the game. I guess it's good to know. Most people seem to be in the same boat as we are. Even the best student from our philosophy class was stressing about it earlier. It makes you feel less alone in all this cramming, right?
Yeah, definitely. I reckon getting an extension can sometimes just prolong the pain. It only drags it out, but in the end, it's still got to be done. We might as well just push through and get on with it, and somehow we'll make it happen. The group discussion focused on finishing a philosophy essay and handling tight deadlines. The first speaker talked about scrambling to finish the essay, facing a really tight, mad rush, and working last minute because they never plan ahead. They mentioned having loads on your plate, feeling everything sounds pretty overwhelming, and not being able to imagine juggling so many tasks. The second speaker discussed a mountain of work, the essay due tomorrow, messed up the dates, and working with limited time. They asked about getting an extension but felt it would prolong the pain, saying they prefer to push through even if they miss football tonight. The third speaker said they asked for extension and got an extra couple of days, but still had a load of assignments while packing to move house, which was a juggle. They said 2 days better than nothing, that it is better than not handing anything in, and that even the best student was stressing about philosophy, which makes you feel less alone in all this cramming. Overall, all speakers agreed managing deadlines and workload is challenging.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.